So apparently, physics just keeps getting worse. First of all, we got to know that a single particle can be in multiple states at once. Then Heisenberg stepped in and said, pick one. And now quantum entanglement, where two particles basically share a single brain cells, just like you and me sharing one brain cell. But even it happens even faster than light, faster than the universal speed limit. I don't know how, but it happens. Okay, and even Einstein heard this and said, it's spooky action at a distance. And yeah, I agree with Einstein. It is spooky action at a distance. But again, physics really hates us. Okay, so what even is it? Okay, here we have two particles, Steve and Bob. This is Steve, this is Bob. Okay, so imagine these two particles met. Okay, they hang out, they share a quantum handshake, they even eat food together, and now they are linked. They're entangled together. Okay, if you mess with Bob, if you change his spin, measure his speed, measure whatever, Steve immediately, instantly reacts, and and yeah, he just reacts like it's the longest long distance relationship. And it's not like they send each other text messages. It just happens instantly. No Wi Fi, no cable, no nothing. Just pure quantum mechanics. So let me give you the most common example, but the best one. Here we have two particles again. You have probably met them. This is Steve, this is Bob. Okay. So imagine Steve and Bob are linked. Okay. So you measure Steve's spin. Okay, you measure its spin and you found, and before measuring they are in quantum superposition. Okay, so you measure its spin and you found that its spin is rotating like this. Okay, as soon as you measure it, not even a millisecond, not even a nanosecond, no time is passed, it immediately reacts. Bob immediately reacts and changes his, and we know its spin. Okay, the moment it's let's say his spin is up, at the moment we measure it, his spin would be down instantly. Like exactly instant. Okay, even if these two particles are in a completely different solar system, universe, whatever, if they are quantumly entangled, they will do exact. If something happens to one, the other would immediately instantly react. Uh, and Einstein, and this is one of the reason why Einstein and Niels Bohr had a fight. Einstein was like, no, nothing goes faster than the speed of light, while uh, Niels Bohr said it's not faster than the speed of light. They were never really apart from each other, they were the same thing, they were both entangled. And Einstein was like, physics is not physicing, while Bohr was just nonchalant. Okay, so what is happening? What's the deal? Okay, when these two particles are entangled, again they combine a joint wave function, just like how it was in the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Okay, these stop being two different things. Now they are one. Now they are one. Okay, if just like if you pulled one end of the rope, the other would react. Okay, because they are the same rope. Same thing here, but just instantly at the speed of light, and my millions, trillions, quadrillions of years light years apart they could be, but still they would be instant. They're not just sending each other info. They're not just sending each other messages. You are just collapsing the same wave function. Okay, it's like having one pair of no, it's like having one pair of AirPods. You drop one and somehow both disconnect. No messages, no message, no information needed. Quantum message is kind of really just powered by a Bluetooth, a bad Bluetooth connection. Okay, so there was a quantum beef between Einstein and Bohr about this. Einstein really hated this. Okay, He was like, nothing goes faster than the speed of light. God does not play dice. The God does not play on random chances. And Morse was really like, stop backseat driving God. God, God just does anything. That's it. The debate. Two genius arguing about quantum dices and who is rolling them, who is not rolling them. And here's the best part. Ah, Bohr is one. Uh, Entanglement is real, and Einstein's spooky action isn't spooky anymore. It's just a normal, mundane quantum land. Okay. So why does this really matter? Well, without entanglement, we won't have quantum teleportation, quantum kinda. Well, let's leave it that aside for now. Okay, we won't have quantum encryption, neither uh, quantum computers, the supercomputers that costs more than my future. Okay, so yeah, so the entire future of tech is built on what Einstein calls spooky. Okay, so basically, science said you thought this was weird. Let's build a quantum computer out of it. Okay, so that was it. So that was quantum entanglement. Two particles sharing one brain cell, freaking out Einstein and powering the future. And again, physics really hates us. But hey, at least it's entertaining. And I will catch you in the next one.